Welcome to AsInt IntelliSuite, where inspections get faster, smarter, and fully mobile. Let's explore how to connect, assign, and record your readings from the logger device to IntelliSuite with ease. Let's get started. From the Profile page, scroll down to Settings and tap Logger Device. Activate Bluetooth by tapping Done. The app will now scan nearby devices. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on the logger device. Once your logger appears, tap Connect to complete pairing. Now let's assign a CML. From the home page, open the Inspection tab and pick your inspection. Select CML from the tab panel and confirm Bluetooth is active, shown by a green icon. Tap the menu, hit Assign, choose the CML ID, and define the region for the reading. Place the sensor, freeze it, hit Save and Send. The reading lands in IntelliSuite instantly. Take multiple readings and input all necessary inspection details. Tap Save once done. To wrap up, return to the Profile page. Scroll to Settings and open Logger Device. Choose the paired device and tap Disconnect to safely terminate the Bluetooth connection. Enhance your data logging with the Sense IntelliSuite app. Contact us today to learn more.